the Dubai International Holy Quran Award on 20th Ramadan.
Now my pleasure to ask Dr. Zakir Naik to proceed to the stage. So please, you are welcome.
Dr. Zakir Naik conferred the Dubai International Holy Quran Award for Islamic Personality of the Year 1434 Hijri.
It's an honor and a pleasure for me to be invited by the Holy Quran Award Dubai.
The Dubai International Holy Quran Award Committee, under the patronage of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President of UAE and ruler of Dubai, has appreciated Dr. Zakir Naik's service to Islam and will be conferring him with the Dubai International Holy Quran Award for Islamic Personality of the Year 1434 Hijri at a ceremony at the Dubai Chamber of Commerce, Dubai, UAE on 20th Ramadan 1434 Hijri, that is Monday 29 July 2013 at 9:30 p.m. Dr. Zakir Naik, Islamic Personality of the Year.